Hello, my name is Bryan Murray. I'm an Assistant Scientific Director with Abbvie Pharmaceuticals, and I am here at ASH 2021. Abbvie is a global pharmaceutical company dedicated to the study of hematological malignancies, and I work to support myelofibrosis specifically. In the myelofibrosis space, Abbvie is currently developing navitoclax, which is an oral small molecule that targets a protein called BCL-XL. BCL-XL is a protein that is important for the survival of cells, and certain cancer cells will hijack this pathway to keep themselves alive, including myelofibrosis cells. Abbvie has demonstrated preclinically that BCL-XL inhibition in combination with a JAK inhibitor, such as ruxolitinib, can be synergistic and provide meaningful activity in myelofibrosis. In a phase 2 study, we demonstrated some promising initial efficacy data that was presented at EHA last summer, showing some spleen volume reduction and symptom improvements. On the basis of our promising results from the phase 2 study, we currently have 2 ongoing phase 3 studies that have been initiated and have been active in enrolling patients since last year. The studies are called Transform, and we have Transform 1, which is our phase 3 study in JAK inhibitor naive patients. We're specifically looking for high-risk patients, so patients who are intermediate 2 or higher, who have myelofibrosis and have not received a prior JAK inhibitor. You'd be potentially eligible for that study. And we have Transform 2, which is in our population of patients who have received a JAK inhibitor and are looking for another therapy. So in Transform 2, patients receive the combination of navitoclax and ruxolitinib, similar to Transform 1, and are compared to best available therapy. In Transform 1, it's ruxolitinib and placebo. And so if you want to learn more about these studies and more about the eligibility criteria, I encourage you to check out myelofibrosisresearch.com. It's a publicly accessible site. You can find more information on all the studies, the eligibility criteria, to see if you may be eligible if you're interested in participating. We also have a map that shows you the current number of sites that we have in the US to determine how far you might be away from these studies. So if you're interested in this trial or any trial, I encourage you to speak to your physician further to determine if it's right for you. Thanks again, and I appreciate you giving me time to give this update.